and girls, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a little Q&A. Rumor does have it that Q&A videos, I guess, are a little like lazy when you're feeling lazy. And you know, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't really been up to date on it. I've been a little MIA on YouTube. I don't really have a reason because of quarantine, but we're back, so we're ready. But today I am going to do a little twist on it. So instead of like a sit-down Q&A, I'm going to do a healthy dessert. I'm going to make some healthy black bean protein brownies for when you got a little sweet tooth. So originally I was going to bake 2 different baking items, but I think I limited it down to 1 because I already messed up. So it's a different story. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the Q&A and the black bean brownies. So first of all, I already started the oven and I preheated it to 350. Should I start off with the recipe or a question? First of all, this is where I already messed up, but basically I took a can of black beans and I'm putting it into the blender because we have to do that first before you put it into a bowl. With that, I am going to, oh my gosh, I didn't even tell you the ingredients. For this recipe, all you're going to need is 1 can of black beans, and I already have it in a blender cup. 1/3 cup of dark 100% cacao. 1/2 cup of my Alani Nu plant-based chocolate protein. This is my favorite chocolate protein. 1 egg. I already accidentally cracked it on accident. 1/4 cup of almond milk. Via Farms. I get this from Target. I have 1/4 cup of coconut oil. 1/3 cup of maple syrup. I have about a tablespoon in there, but we'll see what we got. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, not soda. Here we go. First, I'm going to take my black beans and I put it into a blender cup. I'm going to go ahead and crack the egg again. With the black beans and the egg, I'm going to take 1/4 cup of the almond milk. Pour that in there. To blend that boy. So for the first question, okay, how do you not eat sugar? And you know, a lot of people think that I don't eat sugar. You know, I do. It's all about moderation, okay? I just had a McFlurry the other night. I haven't had one in probably like 5 years because I was so like restrictive about what I'm eating, when I'm eating, what kind of ice cream it is. Like, but I had a McFlurry. I do eat sugar. I really do. If I'm gonna have sweets, I personally like to do my own twist on it, you know, with like coconut sugar or maple syrup. Actually, kind of looks like chocolate. Next, we have a 1/3 cup of cacao powder. I'm just gonna pour the whole thing in there. Next question. What's your go-to Starbucks and Chipotle order? That is really funny because I was against Starbucks for the longest time. And I kid you not. I'm not kidding about the whole, like, I was like restrictive. I was like,
I'm not gonna get Starbucks because their almond milk is not unsweetened.
But no, it doesn't matter. But that's funny because I actually got it this morning and my go-to order is just a black iced coffee with no liquid cane syrup. And then I'll get a splash of almond milk. When I get up to the window, I say,
"Can I please have a few packets of stevia?"
And then they give me some, drive away, rip them open, and then I put them in there. I'm gonna mix this, you know. I keep blabbering. And my go-to Chipotle order, oh boy, I love Chipotle. I start with a bed of their power greens. And then I say, "Can I just have a scoop of brown rice? Extra veggies." I say, "Chicken, please." I'm kind of stingy at restaurants, and I go, "How long is it until you get the fresh chicken out?" Once I get to the salsa, I say, "Can I have the pico, the green verde, hot salsa all on the side?" And they look at me and they're like, "Sure." I get a side of guac. That's my go-to order. We have 1/2 cup of protein. I'm so bad with recipes. Like, I'm more like need energy. What is your dream job? My dream job is I absolutely have no idea. That's why I'm struggling with college, where to go to college, what to go into. It's become a game for me, you know? What major can I switch to this year? No, it even comes down to semesters. This is not forming how I want it to. So yeah, what is your dream job? I really want to work with corporate and create my own business and brand, but that is a lot. And, you know, dreams do come true, baby. So maybe I'll be an entrepreneur by this time next year. Next, I'm going to take a 4th cup of coconut oil. So I'm going to heat this up in the microwave for 30 seconds. I want to see my rad outfit, so I'm tie-dye. Boom! Biker shorts. Cheetah print. If you could work out with anyone, who would it be? If I could work out with anyone, it would 100% be Whitney Simmons. I just love her. Like, how can you not? She's just my favorite person ever. Or Natasha, because Whitney and I love her. I love her workouts and stuff. Natasha and I, Natasha Ocean, if you don't know who she is, we have the same style workouts. Throw that in there. Hi, baby. What's your favorite snack? So if most of you know me, you know that I am obsessed with Lara bars. 1 second. Girl, you make me dumb. Here are what Lara bars look like. So there's 1,010,000 flavors of Lara bars. I suggest getting the protein ones because it's literally the same calories as the other ones, but there's protein in them. I mean, but if you want the regular kind, get the regular kind. Next, I found 1 bars in plant-based. My life was changed. They're so good. And the peanut butter cup, We're gonna do a 4th cup of maple syrup. Shout me out in it. That's not a question. Okay, shout out to Rachel Briggs. Biggest change you made that helped you gain muscle and lose fat. So finally some fitness questions. Biggest change I made for muscle, I increased my protein. And I'm not even gonna say dramatically, but I increased it because I wasn't eating enough protein. Another thing is that right after my workouts, carbs are just as important as proteins after you're lifting. We'll say that 5 times. You can disagree with me, but for my body, carbs completely changed my workouts. It changed my energy levels. Before I was getting carbs, but like now I'm getting carbs. Like, I was doing half a cup of rice and now I'm doing like a cup of rice. They say carbs are your friend. They are your friend. And then to lose fat, when we were at the gym, I would like always like warm up or like end with 10 to 15 minutes of steps or like the treadmill, or you could do HIIT too. What inspired you to start your fitness journey? Okay, I actually really like this question. Basically, after high school, I was a 3-sport athlete, so I started with volleyball, and then we went into basketball season, and then track and softball. I had the option to go to college for basketball, but I turned it down because I wanted to focus on my studies, which now kind of bites me in the butt because I don't know what I want to study. But anyways, we live when we learn. After high school, I was like, oh my gosh, like what am I going to do? How am I going to stay fit? And I started getting into the gym. We were always gym goers. I started getting into lifting. And then lifting more and more, and it was just really enjoyed it. So then first person I got inspired and stuff from was Whitney. If you don't know Whitney, because I just address her by her first name, Whitney Simmons is like my all-time inspiration. I just started like a fitness account one day. I kept it on private. I just kind of threw recipes out there and little workouts, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take the leap and go off private and follow people, get some inspiration from them, see if they can get some inspiration from me. I'm going for like 2 to 3 years now, and so I don't know, I'm enjoying it. That is my fitness journey so far. So now that I started that way too much, I'm gonna take this wooden aesthetic spoon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Have you always been so fit / into working out? Again, that kind of goes with the other question. Like I said, I was a basketball player and I played travel soccer on the side. So I was always like go, go, go. Honestly, back in the day, I had a lot more muscle tone to me. I did like go through this like stage where I just kind of lost like all my muscle mass. I would say that I've always been into working out and stuff. Just a crack of, you like salty? I'm just gonna do a crack of pepper. I'm gonna go in with some Enjoy Life chocolate chip. Look at like this consistency. We're not bakers here, I'm more of a cooker. What got you into yoga? I was really stressed. I just need something to just calm me down. I'm so like go, go, go all the time. I just need an hour to just relax. So I started going and I loved it. That's really what got me into yoga, was like stress and all that. Not gonna lie, I have tried meditating. Not like the stuff, I just can't just sit there. Now that we have this, it actually looks super good. While that's waiting, I thought I'd just sit and answer some more questions. Do you like college? I love college. The only thing is like how I mentioned before, is that I just really don't know what I want to do. Chilling on a dirt road. If you had one day left to live, what would you do and who with? I like roller coasters. I would like go hiking or something in Utah or like Colorado, even though I do that already. Or go snorkeling in the ocean. I've already done that. It was fun. Who would I do it with? Dory, my dog. She's overweight. Like actually, we'd go on a walk in the Appalachian Mountains or something. What do you listen to when you work out? I listen to everything, I'm not kidding. Sometimes I vibe with Hannah Montana. Sometimes I'll go Russ. But then we got thrown a little DaBaby and G-Eazy. To the window. Why are we not dating? We are. I didn't know we weren't. What are your goals for 2020? My goals for 2020 are to genuinely just be happy. Just go with the flow. I'm so like I said, I'm just go all the time. I always have set schedules and I just want to go with the flow. Hey, someone calls me, let's travel, let's road trip. I want to do it, you know? Is our deal still on? Oh, yes. Is intermittent fasting bad for you? I'm not speaking for everyone. What I have observed and what I've done for myself is that we all start with like trying to do new diets instead of trying to just create a balanced, healthy lifestyle in general. So I did try intermittent fasting and I personally did not like it because I literally eat right when I wake up. Like that's when my hunger peaks. I eat right before I go to bed. Ask any of my friends, I have banana slices and peanut butter every single night before I go to bed. Sometimes if my stomach is croaking at 12 a.m. I'll get up and come out here and have some bananas and peanut butter. So is it bad for you? I personally don't know the whole studies on it. There's a ton of studies. Go check out Natasha Ocean's video on YouTube because she explains it very well. If you should do it, it depends what your goals are. If you're not hungry right away in the morning, like listen to your body, you know? So maybe it could work for you. I just personally couldn't fit in all my meals in a short amount of time. How do you find the motivation to work out every day in quarantine? I don't. A lot of people think this about me, but I don't work out every day. I work out probably 3 to 4 times a week. There's a difference between feeling unmotivated and just feeling like you actually can. Some days I wake up and I feel like a bus just hit me. Sometimes I'm so sore or so tired, or I need a mental health day. Focus more on my skincare routine more than just working out every single day. Yes, it's good for you, but you need to find a balance, you know? How excited are you for gyms to open back up? I am so I'm excited because I work out at where I work because I work at a gym, so I'm excited because I just want to get my job back because I hate not working. I like seeing people every day. How do you balance school with fitness? This was extremely hard for me to figure out because I was going from school, gym, to work, and it was just so hard. Some days I would wake up in the morning and go right before class, or I would squeeze it in between class. Why am I your favorite? Oh my gosh. Because you're just so beautiful. Who's your best friend? I have a lot of best friends, but I would definitely, if I had to pick, I would definitely say my mom. They're done. I should have put sprinkles in it. Oh, they are not anywhere close to being done. How do you let yourself eat unhealthy foods? Before, I would never let myself eat unhealthy foods. I would bring my own food places. I wouldn't eat if there was not unhealthy food. That is like so like, it's not a healthy relationship with food, so I tried. It's such a work in progress, but you literally just have to do it. If your friends are out getting the McFlurry and you're thinking about you want one, but you're gonna restrict yourself and say no, instead of doing that, change your mindset. So change my mindset and I'm like, they're enjoying a McFlurry, why can't I enjoy one? You know? So you just do it. You just go for it. Order it. Hi, I want a McFlurry. Is that all? No, I want 3 more for my friends. You just gotta leap into it. That's how I let myself eat unhealthy foods because it's a balance, everything in moderation. I know you can hear that 50 times. What's my biggest fear? My biggest fear is drowning. Or if you like go into a ditch and like your car fills up with water. Just don't make fun of me for this, but I am terrified of geese. Favorite thing at Trader Joe's? Cauliflower gnocchi. If you haven't tried it, you gotta go get it because it's so dang good. Last relationship? We're not gonna talk about that one. Well, it depends which one. Cause like my last, like, no, I'm not gonna. Favorite book? Let me go get there. I'm kind of getting tired. This is my favorite book. It's called The Power of Now. I'm all about self-development books and learning about the mind and how it works. This is your cup of tea. What is your favorite breakfast? I take 2 pieces of toast, one with peanut butter and banana slices on it, and then one with avocado and an egg on it. What is your favorite muscle group to train? I got into training shoulders and I was like, I love the idea how you can just sculpt your upper body because it's broader and then you just look more like narrow. What are some of your famous influencers on Instagram? Whitney Simmons, Tay Shay. I love Tay Shay. I do her workouts almost all of the time. I also really like Abby Wellner. She's so confident and she's so gorgeous. She just like spreads a good message just about like self-love, and obviously she has like good recipes and workouts, but I love her. She's awesome. For recipes, I like choosing_balance. She has awesome recipes on there. So that's gonna wrap up the questions because I think my brownies are done. I just love these biker shorts. They're from Princess Polly, if you were wondering. Let's take a look. Here is what the brownies look like. Alright, so that wraps up the video and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you to everyone who asked me the questions. If you try out my brownie recipe, let me know. We are saying goodbye. Mom's not gonna like that. If you did like this video and if you're new here, my name is Dana and I like to do health, fitness, cook, bake. I like makeup and stuff. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Now you might as well subscribe because you're already here. But without further ado, I will see you guys next time. Hopefully.